Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add ghost effects to your video on CapCut. So there is a new feature on the animations in CapCut that you can use to create a ghost effect easily, and here's how to do it. So first, after you import your clip, you can just click on the clip that you want to add the ghost effect, and then just go straight to the animation, and here select the in, and you'll see there is a smoke animations that you can select. You can just click on that, then adjust on how long you want the ghost effect to last. For example, I want to set it for 0.6 seconds, just like this. It will create a ghost effect like this, and you can also adjust it for more than one clips. You can just easily click on it and adjust the duration, and this is the result. Okay, so that's how you can add a ghost effect easily on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.